Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to do a quick and dirty video aimed towards the novice user on USB 2 and USB 3. I'm going to use layman terms to make you understand it a little easier. So, to identify USB 3 ports, USB 3 is identified by a blue insert in the port. This is a non-powered USB 3 hub. This is USB 3 flash drive. This is USB 2 flash drive. Now, in your computer, if you're not sure which ports are USB 2 and USB 3, check the manufacturer's website and see what the ports are for your computer. It will identify them on the website under specifications. So the things you want to install for USB 2 in your computer or in a hub or whatever is USB 2 is, like I said, slow. So you install that. You install your keyboard, your mouse, a webcam, printers, stuff like that in USB 2 port. In USB 3 port, you want high bandwidth items like this, an external flash drive, external SSD like this, or a hard drive. Your phone, obviously you want your best transfer speeds on your phone. That's the kind of stuff that goes in there. These are backwards compatible, so I can stick a USB 3 in a USB 2 port, or a USB 2 in a USB 3 port, and it gives you can still use them, but you won't get the speed benefits. One last thing I want to say, winding up here, almost all new laptops now come with a USB-C port. This one's right here. This is the absolute fastest you can get. And this one here, this drive here, if you get the right drive, external drive, SSD, and install your games on this drive, you can run your games off the drive using USB-C. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.